Types of variation. Variations may be inheritable or non-inheritable. Inheritable variations participate in evolution, while non-inheritable variations do not participate in evolution. On the basis of nature of cells where variations occur, variations are of two types: somatogenic variations or acquired traits, germinal or blastogenic variations. Somatogenic variations that are restricted to the somatic cells of the organism appear any time during the life of an organism, and such variations die along with the organism and are non-heritable. These are variations that are found in the gene pool of an organism. They may be already present in the ancestors or may occur any time. These variations are heritable and form the raw materials for evolution.